Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can use BOTIM app. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, make sure that you have installed the application on your phone. You can get it through App Store or Play Store. So after doing that, here you can open the application and you have to make sure that you are logged in. Here you can see I am currently logged into my account just like this. So in here you can get the first option of call. So if you simply tap on this icon right here, calls, here you will get to this page just like this, and in order to make call, here you'll have to tap on this particular icon right here, and then your contacts will open, and from here you can choose any of your contacts in order to call from BOTIM. But if you want to create a group call, you can also tap on this option, new group call, just like this. Then you can select the people that you want to create the group call with. So here, if we go back, you can also get the option of new contact. So if you want to create a new contact, you can tap on new contact just like this, and then you can write their first name, last name, and their phone number, and then you can tap on save and it will be saved on your BOTIM. So another option that we have is chat with BOTIM AI. So if you tap on it, you'll be able to chat with BOTIM AI. So through this, you can ask any type of question that you want. And like this, you'll be able to chat with BOTIM AI. So another option that we have is chats. If you tap on it, just like this, and tap on this icon, then your contacts will open, and just like this, if you select any of your contacts, you'll be able to chat with them, and same with the group chat and new contacts. So if you tap on this all options right here, BOTIM now has a lot of features of international transactions, local transactions, and many more. Here you can see these are the features, but you have to remember that it only works in UAE. So here, if you tap on my cards, all of your cards will show that you have connected with BOTIM. Here you can also get the option of transfer. Here you can get the option of pay if you want to pay your bills. Here you can get the option of viewing your salary card. Here you can view your card. Here we also have the Union Pay, and if you want some credit, BOTIM can also provide you credit through this provider. So here, if you want to invest on anything, here we also have the option of investment. And if you want to explore more, here we also have the different kind of options like applying for your Visa card and VIP card and a lot more. And here you can see these are some of the new features that BOTIM has released. BOTIM is mainly used for calls or chat, but you can also use these features from BOTIM. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.